Okay, Target 5-6 bookwork, page 598, number 7. We're finding the length of arc AB. So we're not finding the measure, we're finding the length, and that means we're finding a portion of the circumference. So 8 pi given is the diameter, which means we need to find the radius. My radius is equal to 4. I don't need to find the radius. I can use one of two formulas, circumference equals 2 times pi times r, which would be 8 pi, or I can use circumference equals pi times diameter, which would be 8 pi. So either way, my circumference is 8 pi. Then I'm going to use my 45 degrees. Different ways you can look at that. One of the ways we talked about in class was you could say that 360 degrees divided by 45 is 8. That means that 45 degrees happens 8 times in the circle, or that this piece I'm looking at is 1/8 of the circumference. So if I want 1/8 of the circumference, I'm going to take 8 pi and divide by 8, which is 1 pi. So my arc length is equal to 1 pi. Another way you can look at that is let's see, we did 360 over 45. You can look at 45 divided by 360, which literally gives you 1/8. And so if you take the circumference, 8 pi times 1/8, 1/8 of it, you can get it that way. And then the third way we talked about in class, if you get stuck on, you have the numbers and you're not sure what to do, we looked at setting up an equation where you look at part over whole. So part of the circle in degrees is 45 degrees. Over the whole circle is 360 degrees. That's going to equal part of the circumference, which is the arc length. That's what I want. Over the whole circumference, 8 pi. You could try to simplify the 45 over 360. We kind of already did that. We said it was 1/8. Sometimes that doesn't work and it just gives you a weird decimal. So you can also cross multiply at any point. 360 times L is equal to 8 pi times 45. So 360 times L is equal to 360 pi, because 8 times 45 is 360. So if I divide both sides by 360, I'll get L equals pi units. So approximately 3.14 is the length of the arc. So 3 different ways you can look at doing